So first we're gonna start it with making the hat. And now I'm gonna make some ornaments to decorate the hat. Now I'm going to add this scarf. Moving to the eye, I'm going to make a cute / kawaii eye by adding two circles, the big one and the smaller one underneath. To finish the eye, we're gonna color it with black markers, the outside part of the circle that we made previously. You can add a carrot for the nose, cause that's what snowmen usually look like. I'm gonna make some shadow for the snowman, so it's gonna show some dimension. I'm gonna do the scarf blue, but you doesn't have to follow it, you can do whatever color you want it to. I just felt that the white hat made the painting a little bit too plain, so I'm just gonna do black instead. Add a snowfall if you wanted to by making random small circles all around it. And then we're done. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.